Welcome to Rosary Cemetery in Norwich, a place where history and tranquility intertwine. This fascinating burial ground holds a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike. Established in 1819 by the visionary Reverend Thomas Drummond, Rosary Cemetery broke the mould as the first non-denominational burial ground in the UK. It was a bold move, providing a final resting place for people of all faiths and backgrounds. Talk about inclusivity. Situated on Rosary Road, this 13-acre cemetery is not just a final resting place but also a thriving wildlife sanctuary. In fact, it won a Community Biodiversity Award in 2008, so while you pay your respects, keep an eye out for some furry and feathery friends. It's like stepping into a time-traveling maze of trees, pathways, and slightly wonky gravestones. Who knows what secrets they hold? The 1874 Thorpe rail accident was a tragic event that shook the community. It was a day that started like any other, with the train making its routine journey, but it quickly turned into a devastating disaster. Train driver John Pryor and fireman James Light were at the helm of the ill-fated train that day. Little did they know that their lives would be cut short in a matter of moments. As fate would have it, circumstances beyond their control led to a catastrophic collision that claimed their lives. The news of the accident spread like wildfire, sending shockwaves through the community. The loss of John Pryor and James Light was deeply felt, not only by their families, but also by their fellow railway workers and the entire town. Their dedication and commitment to their duty were evident in their final moments, as they bravely faced the challenges that unfolded before them. In the aftermath of the accident, the community rallied together to support the families of John Pryor and James Light. Their names became etched in the annals of local history, forever linked to the tragedy that unfolded on that fateful day. Today, their final resting place in Rosary Cemetery serves as a poignant reminder of their sacrifice. The gravestones stand as a testament to their dedication and the profound impact they had on the community. In Rosary Cemetery, amidst the peaceful surroundings and the whispers of the wind, the spirits of John Pryor and James Light find solace. Randall Egmore embarked on a remarkable journey, driven by his unwavering faith and dedication to helping others. Originally a hatter by trade, Randall made a life-altering decision to leave behind his profession and embrace a higher calling as a missionary. As a devout Methodist, Randall's religious beliefs guided his path, leading him to relinquish his trade and devote himself entirely to spreading the gospel and providing solace to the sick and impoverished in Norwich. From the 1850s to the 1860s, he served as the superintendent of the Norwich City Mission, becoming a beacon of hope in the community. As we remember Randall Egmore, let us honor his memory by continuing to spread love, compassion, and hope to those around us.